Hey guys, and welcome to my first ever video on YouTube. Now this video is going to be just basically looking at another approach to multiplication. Now this is quite different to the over-the-counter method that you're taught in middle school. But hey, this might help out some middle schoolers who are finding problems with doing multiplication the way it's taught to them. So why not check it out? Just see how it goes. If it helps me, just like the video, show me that you appreciate me making these videos. And yeah, thanks for clicking on this video once again, guys. I hope you find this helpful.
So first off, let's consider two numbers that we would like to multiply. Say 69 and 21. Now we would start off as usual by putting down our normal multiplication grid. Like you would write 69 on the top and 21 on the bottom, and then you'd have this place, this half open rectangle where you would write your answer, right? So let's start off now by multiplying both of the digits on the right hand side. So in this case it's 9 and 1. So the digits on the right hand side, on the extreme right hand side, are 9 and 1. So you multiply 9 and 1. What's that? 9. You don't need to be a genius to figure that out. Now you'd write 9 here because 9 times 1 is 9. Right? So that's the first step, multiplying the two digits on the extreme right hand side. Now you'd multiply the next step is to multiply the digits diagonally. So you would have 9 times 2, which is 18. Just write that on the side. 6 times 1 is 6. So you have 18 and 6. 9 times 2 is 18. 6 times 1 is 6. 18 plus 6 is 24. So you write that 4 down here. Then you just have the 2 up there, just as a carry on to the next step. Right? Now the last step, or the third and the last step, is to multiply the two digits on the extreme left hand side. So you have 6 and 2. What's 6 times 2? 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So we write that down and there's our answer. Now you might say that this is cheating, but well, no, it's not. Let's try it out on our calculator, trustworthy Casio calculator. We have 69 times 21. Now let's see if it's 1449, because that is what we've got here. You press equal to, and there you have it. It is 1449. So as you can see, this method is foolproof and works every time. Let's consider another example now, shall we? Think of two numbers. Let's say 78 and 87. Alright? Now you have these two numbers that you'd like to multiply. You could do this in a very short amount of time using the technique that I just taught you. So let's write down 87 on the top and 78 on the bottom. So now let's see if we can do this using the technique we've just learned. What's the first step? That's right, you multiply the two digits on the extreme right hand side. So what are they here? 7 and 8. So you multiply 7 and 8, what's that? 56 if you memorize your multiplication tables properly. So you have 56. Now, the next step would be to multiply the two digits diagonally. If you remember from the last multiplication we did. So now you have 7 times 7, that's 49. 8 times 8 is 64. And then we have that 5 that's been left to carry over. So now, if you can do your multiplication well, this shouldn't be an extremely hard job for you. So you'd have 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. There's that. And 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. So you'd have 118. Now, you put down a 8 here because you want that 11 to be carried over, right? So you have 11 at the top. Now you multiply 8 by 7, that's 56, plus 11 is 67. So if you can add well, this method isn't such a hassle. Now let's check if that's right on our calculator, shall we? Let's clear that one. Multiply 78 and 87. See what we get. 6786, which is exactly the same as what we've got. Now, I admit that the old method would have been better to do in this case, but in a lot of cases, it is usually the new method that I've taught you guys, easier. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope it helped you to find a new way to think about multiplication. If you're not convinced by this method still, I will post a mathematical proof for this method in maybe a few days. So until then, guys, take care. This is Pratt C.